Yogurt isn't just for breakfast anymore. It's your secret weapon for achieving irresistibly moist and fluffy baked goods. Today we'll explore 12 secrets that will transform your baking. Let's get started. Yogurt's acidity tenderizes gluten while its fat locks in moisture for that perfect crumb. Always use full-fat plain yogurt for the best flavor and texture. Let it sit at room temperature before using. Cream butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Then gently fold in your yogurt and eggs. Remember, mix just until combined to keep your cake light. Baking at the right temperature ensures your cake rises perfectly. Preheat your oven and avoid opening the door too often. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For an even texture, rotate your cake halfway through baking. And let your cake cool completely before slicing to lock in moisture. Let your cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack. Patience preserves moisture and prevents a soggy bottom. To enhance flavor and moisture, consider adding a simple syrup to your cake layers. Brush it on while the cake is still warm. This little step can make a big difference in the taste and texture of your cake. Swap 25% of the yogurt for sour cream. It creates a tangy, velvety texture that stays moist longer. Balance the liquid content carefully. Lemon, orange, or lime zest can lift your yogurt cake's flavor. Use a microplane to avoid the bitter pith. Aromatic and unforgettable. Adding texture and sweetness is key. Consider mixing in fruits, nuts, or even chocolate chips. It brings an extra layer of delight to each bite. Chopped walnuts, almonds, or pistachios add crunch and depth. Toast them first to bring out their flavor. Fold them gently into the batter. Swap half the sugar for honey. It adds natural sweetness and extra moisture. Reduce other liquids slightly to balance the batter. To boost tenderness and flavor, consider adding a touch of sour cream or yogurt to your batter. These ingredients not only make your baked goods more tender, but also add a subtle tang that enhances the overall flavor. Mix buttermilk and yogurt for even more tenderness. The acidity helps create a fluffy, airy texture. Homemade buttermilk works just as well. Top your cake with cream cheese frosting, whipped cream, or yogurt glaze. Light, fluffy toppings keep the cake's texture perfect. Decorate with fresh fruits or edible flowers. Baking is about connection. Share your yogurt cake with friends, neighbors, and family. It's the sweetest way to spread joy. Mastering yogurt cake is just the beginning. With these secrets, you can create pancakes, muffins, and more. All with the magic of yogurt. Be sure to check out this video for more.